Hello everyone. So this is basically my third day for being in Qatar, including the day that I arrived here. I didn't vlog yesterday because of I only spend my time at home instead of going anywhere. Just like, you know, take a rest day, take a day off, take a rest, whatever lah. Okay, so today basically I'm going to go to grocery shopping with my sister and my niece. Yeah, I'm just gonna be there. I'm just gonna let you guys know what's gonna happen later. Talk to you guys later.
On the way home, I wrote a poem. You say what am mine. This happens all the time.
Sketches dia buat macam ni je.
Ni dah lama dah.
Cantik lah ni kat oh.
Kita sebelum dah kita semara.
Oh, different department. So the first one is that I'm gonna buy a toothbrush since I left my toothbrush at home. Sekarang ni pun saya pakai toothbrush yang from Qatar Airways. Ada juga alam apa budak-budaknya. Like I'm just gonna use this in short term. So yeah. Hey, you guys, there's a Kit Kat cereal.
Bayar tak apa.
Donut peach. This
Ada yang tu atau apa? Tu keras sikit peach juga. Tapi ni keras sikit. Ni lembut dah.
ni lembut. Ya.
Ambil yang lembut sedap.
Ya. Tu. Oh. Oh, ni lembut.
Satu je lembut. Ni keras.
Ya. Tu lembut tu.
Ni lembut boleh makan tu.
Tu lah, banyak nak makan. Oh, just gonna bake the fish. I don't feel like I want to buy something. But yeah. Just donut peach. Ooh, look at that donut peach. I'm so excited to try it. Masak. Ketchup flavor. I'm not a big fan of ketchup, so gonna eat something here.
Give me tu plain dosa.
Bukan dosa.
Dia tak suka lah. Tak nak berhenti.
Super long.
Dia ada sos putih.
Tuan kakak lah.
Yang museum dinosaur tu ada. Sama dinosaur tak tahu. Dia kita pergi ada museum macam dinosaur. Kita tengok ada kita share gambar.
Oh tak lahir kat situ lah. Dia main game kan kat bawah kan. Tapi kita sebab
To the crunch.
baca-baca kenal. Football player lah. Pentas semua. So dia macam perahu.
Perahu orang tua boleh naik?
Bola. Boleh je. Boleh je. Tak puas budak nak main.
We have this apa roti bawang, apa roti buk. Oh, tu.
Baru cakap boleh tak muzik excited.
Oh tu lah.
Yang ni sos pati ya.
Berarti sikit lah.
Apa nama dia lupa lah. Nak ajak beg.
Berlemak.
Dah sebelum mak aku dia tertarik.
Starbucks. Starbucks sini dia orang tak collab dengan Blackpink. What did you order? Caramel wafer. Look at the menu. There's like only a few options there. Apa ni? Venti double caramel cappuccino.
Oi, makcik ni kena.
Manisnya. So
Kalau sama RM50 sama tu. Oh, sebenarnya apa?
Oh ni lah sekolahnya.
Ni sekolah ni.
Wow. Besar gila macam shopping mall je.
Tu pun.
Hi, so tadi I told you guys that my sister bought for me this donut peach. Help me record, you need to hold the camera. These are the peaches. I want to try with the skin on and without the skin. I'm gonna try this one first. Oh my god, it tastes so good. Peach. This one too masak lah. Dia jadi lembek tau tu. It's like It's currently 4:36. Changed my hijab because like the hijab that I just worn just now is kind of like really hard for me to cook. By the way, I'm gonna cook ikan siakap steam and just to fry veggie. Okay, first and then for the sayo, we are done. So this is the sayo tumis. So we're gonna serve it.